to your girl D Lovely's channel. Today I am beyond excited to be showing you some autumn decor in my home, and hopefully I will be inspiring you to go ahead and decorate your home for this season if you haven't already done so. Fall is the perfect excuse to have candles burning, your cozy socks on, and pumpkins everywhere in your home. In today's video, you will be seeing me decorate my coffee table, living room, basically my couch area, and cleaning it up a little bit, like tidying it up before I add the pillows. And also I will be staging my kitchen dining room table to a fall theme. I hope that you guys stick around so you can comment down below which one you like the most. And also for my newbies that's watching, if you love decor and cleaning videos and traveling videos, because I do have one coming up soon, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you will not miss any video that I upload. Now you know I am a glam girl, and when I seen these pumpkin pillows at Home Goods, I had to pick them up. They are so beautiful and also really blends in good with my living room. I just love how the creams and golds are fitting for the tray holder that holds the pumpkins and the candles. My most favorite part about decorating this season was staging my kitchen table. It screams fall. The greenery, the leaves, the placemats that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, they were in the 60% off clearance aisle because they are spring placemats. But look at that. You would not be able to tell, and they are so fitting for the fall. The texture of these placemats for some reason reminds me of like a broomstick or something. It's indescribable, but it's so fitting for fall in the winter months. It reminds me of just relaxing by the fireplace or an outside fire pit with some marshmallows and your family and friends and exchanging stories.
See you sharpening your knife. Acting like you out, you breathing loud. Pay your losses in the end. Make sure you live on your sense. My trust is permanent damage. Do you even believe it when words fall? Words fall. Words fall. Do you even believe it when words fall? Words fall. Just say
And to top off all my decorating, these grateful signs that I purchased from Etsy was a topper. It really ties in this entire tablescape, and just the sign grateful, the word grateful, it just really plays a big part in my life. And I'm very grateful for each and everything and everyone that's a part of my life. And when I see these in the morning or in the afternoon when I'm by this table, it just reminds me of all the wonderful things in life. So yeah, that is my tablescape. I hope you guys have fully enjoyed this video and have collected some ideas so maybe you can also decorate. Plus, if you have stayed to the very end, please comment down below the word grateful. And also, thank you again for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And please stay tuned because I do have a coffee and kitchen festive fall decor video coming very soon, and also an outdoor video coming soon where I decorate so my outside door. Until later on, bye.